Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to fix this type of error. Your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So let me tell you that why are you facing this type of error, or what are the reasons. So the reason is that you have entered incorrect password in a sequence, or your Apple ID isn't used for a long time, or Apple thinks that your Apple ID has been hacked. Okay guys, so these are the three reasons that's why you are facing this type of error. Your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. So you have to close this page, and then you have to open setting first, and then you have to tap on your Apple ID panel. So firstly you have to change your password. So just simply tap on password and security, type on change password. So you have to change password. If Apple locked your Apple ID, you have to change your password, and after that security concerns are fixed and you will be able to use your Apple ID again. So you have to change your password from here, and then go back from here again go back, and then you have to sign out your Apple ID, and then you have to turn off your device at least for the 60 seconds, and then you have to turn it on again, and then you have to log in your Apple ID again, and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the bounce is there, then you have to open settings again, tap on Apple ID banner again, scroll it down, tap on media and purchases, now tap on view account. Now again wait for a while from here because it's loading, so you have to wait some seconds. Now guys, you have to scroll it down and just simply tap on purchase history. So here is another reason. If you have any unpaid subscription, then you have to remove for them or pay for them. So from here just simply manage your purchase history, and then go back from here, and just simply go to your payments. Just simply tap on manage payment option, and from here you have to manage your payment, or make sure that you have given correct information in your payment method, especially for the CVV code. So after doing this, you have to close this page and then check whether your form has been fixed or not. And if the form is there, again open setting, then you have to go to media and purchase it, then tap on view account, and then you have to wait for a while from here. And now tap on country or region. Now from here wait for a while. So as you can see guys, loading. Now tap on change country or region. So from here you have to select your country name in which your debit or credit card is made. So you have to select the same country. So after selecting country, wait for a while, and here are the terms and conditions, so you have to read it carefully, and if you are agree, just simply tap on agree. Again tap on agree. Now here are the payment methods, so you have to select your payment method. I'm selecting at none, and here you have to put your billing address, so you have to put your billing address. So this one you can put fake one, so you can also put fake one. Here you have to put your city name, so just simply put your city name, and here you have to put the zip code of your city. If you don't know about the zip code, just simply search your swipe browser in other browser, and in case of mine is 602642000, and here you have to put your phone number, so you can put fake one as well, and just simply tap on next, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.